Hello guys, here's Russell from IT Brezel, and I would like to talk today about a really interesting topic which is called IT application and human resources and how the future of job applications is about to change. So if you're interested into this topic, I would recommend you to watch this video right now. During my studies in business information technology here in Berlin, I came across a really interesting topic about how we can use application systems to save money, how we can use application systems to save time and human resources, and what kind of responsibility this application system has when it comes to making decision which of the applicants is the best choice for the company. So how does this application system works? So if you ever have done some kind of blog posting before, maybe you're a content creator by yourself, or maybe you ever have heard what SEO is. In the same way, also this application system in human resources also works. And so I would like to give you like a small example to make it clear for the people who maybe have never heard what SEO is. So SEO means like it is like a search engine optimization. So let's make an example. You would like to buy some Nike shoes. So you would maybe go to Google, you would type in Nike shoes into the search bar, and the work of the Google algorithm is to give you as fast as possible the best information source which can help you to find the information you need. But this algorithm not only works with the main keyword, which is like Nike shoes, but also it can use like family keywords, which in this case would be like Nike shoes for men, Nike shoes for women, black Nike shoes or whatever. So in the same way also the application system works. So let's say you are like a company owner, you have like this fancy technology startup you have created, and now you need like software developer. So of course, if you try to make your job offer public, you would maybe call your you would name it maybe we are hiring software developer, and in this case software developer or software development would be in this case the main keyword. And in this case the algorithm is aware of this keyword, and the algorithm is filtering like the best possible, how do I say, the best possible application letters with this term. So what I try to tell you is that maybe, and this could be somehow also a little bit dangerous in my opinion, maybe like the future of job application is about to change, that's not the point, but we have to be aware that maybe we also like in the future, if you apply for jobs, we have to understand that we have to also optimize our application letters, and maybe we have also make them SEO friendly, because behind those application systems in human resources it's also the same algorithm working like in Google, YouTube or whatever, not one-on-one the same, but the idea of the algorithm, the basics are of course the same. And so you have to be aware that in the future, and this is just my opinion, if you try to apply for, let's say, for software development job, you have maybe take a look, okay, what is the main keyword and what could be like the family keywords in this case and then you have to put them into your CV. And so the algorithm is gonna give you like the review, but the dangerous aspect of it is that if we are not aware that also the algorithm can make mistakes, in the long term we gonna maybe hire people who are maybe not qualified for this job. So I think it's a really interesting fact to see how the future for job offering or how the job market is changing. Everybody's gonna use more and more big data, everything has to be more optimized, but of course we have to be aware that we are like human beings, we have to see technology as something supportive, but this technology should never take the decision out of our awareness. So at the end of the day I just want to say thank you for watching. We're gonna see us in the next video. Bye.